Alright, hello guys, welcome back for another trading recap video. So this video, I'm gonna recap the trade that I've been told yesterday. I haven't write on Notion yet. Okay. This trade could take you go to like me, I guess, if you use projection, but it's just scalping, so it only took me 5 minutes. I probably I don't know, probably took me 15 minutes for this trade, yeah. And yeah, but first of all, wait a minute. For this trade, you could choose projection, yeah? This could take 4. It could go with 4. Check it out. Oh no, it's not go for 4. But it's not hit the stop loss yet, I can tell. Let's go for 2 projections. Alright, 2 projection here. But anyway, let's just focus on my trade right now. The thing I've been told is, all I do is watch at 1 hour candlesticks. 1 hour candlesticks. Last night. Right here. As long as I see this candle sweep, as long as I see this candle close below the wick at the last candlesticks, last bearish candlesticks, I would take a trade right here, and I will looking for a buy. So how do I look for a buy? I just go to 5-minute time frames. Go to 5-minute time frame. What do I see? Actually, I see nothing here. I see nothing here. I see nothing here. I just have to go with 1-minute time frames. 1-minute time frame. There's nothing complicated. If I see this, the price was doing like a want to do consolidation, but I know damn well this situation is happening multiple times to me. I thought every time the market doing this, I thought they gotta come back down, but as you know, the candlesticks in 1 hour is sweeping up. I cannot confirm that it's gonna go up. It's gonna go down. I confirm that it's gonna go up. It doesn't matter, like they have 2 consolidation right now. I just know that it's gonna go up. So when this happens, I wait for the candles has closed below the last high. So this is show that it's closed bullish candlesticks below the last high, and I entry immediately and I put my stop loss here. So I win around $7 for this. It's good. Thank you for watching. That's it for the video for today. Thank you. That's the video for today.